Ready na? Magic. Action.
Saan pa niya ito? Ring B.
Delicious.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. See the subject? It's a mango. See the subject? You know what? I can do some magic. Kung gagawin yung kamay mo para.
Oh?
Pag ginawa ko to, umanin ako, mag-iiba na siya. Ano gusto niyo maging?
Rubik's! Rubik's! Rubik's!
Para namang ang hirap yata. No, wanna be Winby! Ako, gusto ko, ano?
Ding ding! Rubik's Cube!
Rubik's Cube? Yeah. That's very hard for me, but I will try. I will try my best to do your request. I will just cover the mango, and if I remove the cover, it will so many explanations. Wow, bongga, details. Just bumi na kayo tatlo. Just spell 3. Bumi na kayo tatlo. Gagawin ko na yung magic. Oh.
1, 2, 3. Come on, takpan mo.
Last up na sa...
Wow!
Hey, wait!
Wow!
Where's the ring B?
Oh!
Yo, where's the ring B?
Where's the ring B?
Lapit. Yeah, lapit.
Wow!
The mango.
Wow!
Good. Tantala.